Welcome to the vast savannas of Africa, home to the world's largest bird, the ostrich. Meet the ostrich, a bird that can't fly but has adapted in extraordinary ways. Ostriches are renowned for their incredible speed, capable of running up to 45 miles per hour. Their powerful legs are not just for running. They also serve as formidable weapons. Each foot has two toes, with one significantly larger toe that helps them gain traction while running. Ostriches are omnivores, eating a variety of plants, seeds, and occasionally insects and small animals. Their beaks are perfectly adapted for pecking at the ground and pulling up vegetation. Despite living in arid environments, ostriches can go days without water, getting moisture from the plants they eat. Ostriches use their coloration and behavior to avoid predators, blending in with their surroundings. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird species, weighing up to 3 pounds each. Both male and female ostriches take turns incubating the eggs, ensuring they stay warm and protected. After about 40 days, the chicks hatch, ready to start their lives in the wild. Ostrich chicks are born precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. Ostriches often live in groups and sometimes associate with other herbivores for added protection. When threatened, an ostrich can deliver a powerful kick, capable of deterring predators like lions and hyenas. Adaptable, fast, and fascinating, the ostrich is a true marvel of the animal kingdom.